Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we deliver clear insights on stocks in motion. I'm Mitchell, and today we're examining Aldeyra Therapeutics, ticker ALDX, a clinical stage biotech focused on immune mediated diseases. Lead candidate Reproxalap, targeting dry eye disease through a novel RASP modulator mechanism. The big news this week: on December 15th, Aldeyra announced the FDA has extended the PDUFA target date for Reprolapse NDA to March 16th, 2026, a 3 month delay from the original December 16th deadline. That's today. This follows the agency's request for the full clinical study report from a prior dry eye trial classified as a major amendment. Shares reacted lower, dropping around 12% to close near $4, reflecting investor caution on the extended timeline. Despite the delay, analysts remain constructive, with average price targets around $9.50, implying significant upside potential as the review progresses. With a key pipeline asset under review, is ALDX a watch list addition? Share your outlook below. Buy on weakness, hold, or sideline. Like for more biotech updates, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.